Good morning this Wednesday, the 28th of September. I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct. US markets were mixed overnight following a number of Federal Reserve policymakers' speeches, showing an increased appetite for further rate hikes, even at the risk of throwing the economy into a recession. The Dow Jones Industrial Index ended the day down 0.43% and the S&P 500 lost 0.21% to hit a two-year low, but the tech-heavy Nasdaq posted a gain of 0.25%. Over in London, stocks on the FTSE 100 were knocked down by rate rise worries, as the central bank may look to raise rates further to support the hammered British pound, with the index closing the session down 0.52%. The global market sell-off extended into Europe, with Germany's DAX and the French CAC declining 0.72% and 0.27% respectively on Tuesday. Russia's rationing of natural gas and energy commodity withdrawal to Europe continues to fuel concerns over an energy crisis in the region, which led to that rally for local energy sector on Tuesday, especially for coal producers. Russia's moves to ration and withdraw commodities from Europe have caused countries in the region to invest more in coal to keep the electricity on in the region as winter fast approaches. ASX-listed coal mining and energy stocks have benefited from the growing energy crisis in Europe by signing commodity supply deals. Taking a look at the turbulent commodity prices, over the last few days we've seen a rebound, with Brent crude oil now trading 2.6% higher, around $86 a barrel. Coal is up 0.64%, but natural gas is down 3.14%. The recent dive in gold prices eased overnight as the dollar rally took a breather, with the price of the precious metal trading 0.66% higher at $1,632 an ounce. Ahead of the local trading session here today, the ASX futures are expecting the local market to follow the global sell-off, anticipating a 0.68% decline when the markets open. Stocks going ex-dividend today include Myer and Cedar Woods Properties. If you've been thinking about getting into these stocks, it might be worth considering buying in today, as stocks going ex-dividend generally trade lower on the ex-dividend date. Now, there's no local economic data set to be released today, but over in the US, new home sales data for August was released overnight, coming in at a 5-month high of 685,000 for the month, which is an increase of 28.8% on July and beat market expectations of 500,000. Now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has initiated coverage of Drone Shield with a speculative buy rating on this stock and a price target of 24 cents per share, for the reasons that Bell Potter believes DRO is well placed to capitalise on favourable macroeconomic conditions, accelerating structural growth in the market, with the strong sales pipeline identified by the company demonstrating long-term demand. The rating and price target are also based on the fiscal support DRO receives from the Australian government's $270 billion funding for domestic defence, comprehensive product offering by the company, and opportunity for growth in adjacent markets. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Aurora following the formation of a pattern over 334 days, which is roughly the amount of time in which the price target range between $1.95 and $2.15 may be achieved, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolfe with Bell Direct. Have a wonderful trading day and happy investing.